Hi viewers, welcome to my channel DevOps by me. In this video, I would like to demonstrate how to install Jenkins on Amazon EC2 instance. Please watch, like, subscribe and comment your valuable feedback, and if you found any mistakes, please update me in comments so that I can rectify in my upcoming videos. I previously done video on how to install Jenkins on Windows machine. I'm just pasting that link in video description. Please go there and like and watch that video. Without delay, let's get started. Hi guys, in this video, I would like to explain how can we install Jenkins EC2 instance. So for installing the EC2 instance, first we have to create one EC2 instance and we can follow the basic steps, and we have to open port 8080 in security groups. After that we have to install JDK. So now I'll let you know how can we install. So I'll just going the basic steps. Launch instance. So here it is defaultly selected as Amazon Linux, so I'm okay to go. And here also I'm not changing anything. I'm using instance type as T2 micro, and storage is also leave it as default. Everything I can choose the default settings only, but in our security groups I have to enable port 8080 because in for Jenkins we have the default port number is 8080. So now launch. Here we have two options. We have to choose an existing key pair, or else if you want to create a new pair, you can create new pair and you can download. But I already have a key pair, so I'm choosing with my existing key pair and launching the instance. So now the instance is getting launching. Now go and let's check, view the instance. So here it is, and I name it as Jenkins for my remembrance. Here Jenkins is while Jenkins is installing. See, here it is a public IP address. So we have to copy this host address. So and open MobiXDOM and connect with the SSH. Here you have to paste the host address, and the default EC2 default username is EC2 user, and click on advanced SSH setting. So now which the private key you have downloaded, you can select that key. Here I have chosen this key pair. 1 second. Click on OK. Okay. So now what's the steps we have followed? So here we don't need to any follow. We just open. We have to open the Jenkins io.c. This is the official website. Here we have. So we just copy paste the whatever we have the commands. So first we have to create one repository. For creating repository, this is the command we have to take in. Okay, I just copying the command. Okay, paste here. With that repository is created, and also I'm copying this. Okay, so now we have to install JDK. So for installing JDK, we have the command minstall sudo Amazon Linux install. Here we have sudo Amazon Linux extras install Java OpenWiki. But first, if we install this, Amazon Linux extras install Apple. If we choose this one, so with this command, we can see what are the Java versions available in Amazon. So let me try. Here installing Apple release. See here, Java OpenJDK 11 is available. So it is available, right? So now we have to install that Java version. Sudo install open Java JDK 11 and just copy paste that command. Now it is installing. Now this JDK is getting to be installing. After this JDK got installed in your machine, then you can use minstall Jenkins command to install the Jenkins. Let me finish first this. Okay, now you can see here Java Open JDK 11 latest version is enabled. It means JDK is got installed. Now enter the command minstall Jenkins. This is the command to install the sudo minstall Jenkins. Why we are using sudo means to run. Let's see first. Here permission got denied. So because we have to be a root to perform this action, or else before if you sudo also it got installed. Sudo install Jenkins. Now it is loading all the plugins to install the Jenkins. So now it got installed successfully. So after installed, if you want to check the status, you can use this command to check the status. Sudo install Jenkins we have done. After that, we have to, if you want to see the status, you can use the command sudo service Jenkins status. I'm just copy pasting the same command. Here it shows as inactive. That means Jenkins is not started yet. So first we have to start the Jenkins service. So to start the Jenkins service, we can use the command sudo service Jenkins start. See now, starting Jenkins via systematic. That means Jenkins service is starting. So meanwhile, you can copy this IP address :8080, which is the port which we have enabled in security groups for Jenkins. So after giving all the commands, if you are able to see this page means you have successfully installed the Jenkins portal. Now let's wait for. So after it got installed, so first it will ask for the administrator password. We have to give this administrator password. Here, where can here they have given some path where we can find the administrator password. This is the path they have suggested. So I'm just using the cat command to find the administrator password, and this is the path they have suggested. So by entering this, I got this password. So had to copy this. I had to copy and I'm pasting here. See, after this, we got this page. Here we have two options. Select plugins to install suggested plugin. Now I'm going with the install suggest plugins only. I'm going with install suggested plugins. Okay. After clicking on this, we'll get to install these folders. See, one by one is getting installed fastly. If your internet and bandwidth is too fast, it can install very fastly. And if your internet bandwidth is very low, it will take some time. Let's wait for install all the plugins. After it get install the plugins, it will ask the username. I just give my name as username, and password we can set as your wish, and confirm password. And full name as your choice. Email address also you can mention yours. Okay, save and continue. And this is the URL, the same URL we have. Save and finish. Now see, Jenkins is ready. Your setup is complete. Start using Jenkins. So now you can see the Jenkins dashboard. If you are able to see the Jenkins dashboard, you have completed all the setup, plugins, installation, all are successfully. And this is about Jenkins installation. And in my Git repository, I have included all the setup commands and everything here. If you want, you can refer this GitHub page to make you to easily. And I also share this link in the description. You can search me. Thank you.